Hi guys, this is Mr. C and you're welcome to my YouTube channel once again. If you're just visiting this channel for the first time, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on future updates and posts. And if you're already a subscriber, please like and share so we can create more awareness. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make modification to an existing birth certificate or attestation of birth letter. Now, before we proceed further, I would like to clarify that this modification online is only available for people who applied for their certificates online. For those who applied in person in any of the NPC offices, you will have to make these changes in person. But if you are unable to visit the office in person, what you can do is to apply online for a new attestation of birth letter or birth certificate online. So this is what you can do if you have to make changes, and in your new application you can make those changes. Well, in the case where you can visit the office, you'll be required to provide a sworn affidavit. Now you can make a sworn affidavit completely online, and if you don't know how to make a sworn affidavit online, I also have a video where I show you how to make any kind of sworn affidavit from the comfort of your home without leaving your house at all. And you can make affidavit of any kind, whether for name change, date of age, for anything at all, from the comfort of your home. So right away, let's proceed. As I said, this is only possible for those who applied online through the system. The requirement is a laptop, an iPad, or a device that is able to make video capturing or picture capturing. That is what you need. So without much ado, let's proceed. Now you have to visit the National Population website, that is www.nationalpopulation.gov.ng, and that is what you can see right here in my URL, right? And after that, when you're on the website, completely ignore this not secure message. What you do is you click on modification service. Now I need to repeat that only digitalized birth attestation or birth certificate can be modified, and for that you need a valid phone number and email address. Now you click on I have read and clearly understood the guidelines. The next, start application. You select the type of application you want to modify. In this case, we are going to choose birth attestation. In this field, you are going to key in the certificate number. Only applications done online comes with a certificate number. Applications done in the offices does not have a certificate number. Instead, it has a reference number. Now I'm going to key in a dummy application number because currently I don't have a certificate number. I did mine in the offices. So this is a dummy application number, and you will have to verify it here. When you verify it here, you can proceed to the next step of selecting what type of modification you want to make. And after you've done that, you proceed with an extra comment. Maybe you want to let the officer know of a specific thing or reason, whatever, you type in that comment here. Alright, and then you click on continue. And for this very video, I don't have a valid number, so we cannot move forward. But right now, this is the necessary step to make your modification, whether for your birth certificate or your attestation of birth letter. For now, we are going to close this window and go back to the home page. In the home page, what we are going to do is to reprint our document after we have completed the modification. Please note that each services incur a certain amount of fee. Now you click on certificate reprint. Now here you choose the type of certificate you want to reprint. In our case now, birth attestation. And now it tells you that applicant's date of birth must be the same. That is alright, we have already done the modification. It says ensure your device has a camera for face capturing. You'll be required to capture and verify your face during this process. Good, you click on I have read and clearly understood the above instructions, and you click on continue. The next step, if you've already made payment, you have to enter the reference number of your payments here. Enter the reference number and then you click I'm not a robot and you click verify reference. It's going to take you to the next stage where you are going to reprint your application. So now we don't have a reference number, so we are going to make a payment first. As I told you, each service incur a service fee, and in this case it says the amount of 10 USD, but it might be charged in Naira. Okay, so what you do is you click on make payment and you click on your email address. Now we click on your email address and you click I'm not a robot and proceed to make payment. You're going to receive a confirmation code in your email address. So when you open your email address, you key in the confirmation code 621. Now you have to verify the confirmation code. Successful OTP, you will now be redirected to the page where you can make your payment. We'll wait for the page to load. Now in this page, you're going to key in your card information just as it appears, your name as it appears on your card number, the expiry date, the security code, and your address. And then you make the payment. You click on make the payment, and after you make the payment, you are going to receive the reference number to which you are going to use to complete the application. I hope this is very clear. Now this is the entire process. I'm going to close this window and I'm going to click I have read and continue. Now this is where you enter the reference number that you receive after your payment, and you proceed, you verify the reference number, and you're going to proceed and reprint your document. All right, so I hope you guys find this very helpful, and before you check out, I will ask you again, subscribe and like, and if you have questions, leave your comments in the comment section below. If you would like to know how to apply for your sworn affidavit online at the comfort of your home, I provide the link for that video in the comment section or in the description. There you find it right there. So like, comment and share so we can have more audience. And until the next video, see you guys another time. Ciao and goodbye.